Over 63,000 students in our district, and we together support 27 secondary schools, 17 middle schools and 10 high schools. So some of our implementation strategy had to do with the size, the scale. We had lots, we have 300 secondary science teachers. And so our implementation plan, I think, controls some of that scale challenges.
We decided that we would start targeting 5th and 7th grade first. And so we started with a cadre of teachers that we consider kind of innovative and excited to try new things. And ADI came in and trained them, just a regular 6-hour training. And then those teachers did a couple ADIs in the classroom just to try them out, to just kind of get our feet wet. And then for the school year of 18-19, we implemented it in all of our 5th grade classrooms and then in all of our 7th grade pre-AP classes. In 5th grade, they did 2 ADI labs. And then in 7th grade, we attempted to do 6 ADI labs in the pre-AP classes. This school year, we expanded it. So this year it's happening in our 4th, 5th, 6th, and that 7th grade should be highlighted as well because now it's in our on-level and pre-AP 7th grade, and then just our 8th grade pre-AP this year. So this year it's happening in all those grade levels. Middle school, we're attempting 6 ADI labs during the school year. And then in 5th grade, they're doing 4, and then they're doing 2, what they call lighter ADIs. And then in 4th grade, they're attempting to do 4. And then as you can see, our idea is that we would progress as we go and add a grade level each direction as we go until it's in all of our science 3rd up through the electives in high school.
And so the rollout plan has kind of helped us manage the scale. If we had every one of our teachers, if we tried to do this K-12 all at once, there's no way we could support the implementation. So we found this one grade level at a time kind of work allows us to manage the scale to really support teachers. But we're just in our 2nd year and we still have some time to go. Anything else, Beth?
No, that's it.